Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to share working Binance Red Packet codes. Yes, this really work. So let's get started. First open the Binance app on your device. Then tap on more. Now scroll down and select gift and campaign. Then tap on Red Packet. Now select the receive option. Then enter this first code ZYP5M7. Then tap claim and tap open. You will receive some BNB. Then repeat the same steps for this next course. 2YQUZY7J. Now tap on claim option. Then tap open and you receive some BNB, and now go back and enter new code AI2A5HHY and tap claim option. Now you receive some BNB. Now go back and enter new code again, 2DCBRGBR, and open